I'm gonna be doing the slime smoothie, and I have 4 slimes with us today, and yeah, they're a little bit small, but that's it. Okay, now let's get started mixing the slimes into the slime smoothie. Okay, first we're going to start with this purple slime. Really stretchy. It has confetti, so it's crunchy slime. Stretchy, really stretchy. But yeah. So I'm just gonna drop that in there. I'm just gonna mix it in this little bowl because I'm just gonna fit. And then I got a lid whenever I mix it. Let's move on to the next slime. Okay, guys, this is my next slime. It's blue and purple, like mixed. I don't know if you can see the purple and the blue, but I think you can see the purple, but that blue one is so pretty, guys, and sparkly. Yeah, let's just mix this one right. And we got this one. This one has confetti too, so it's crunchy. And also this one's like a whitish blue.